Hello, how are you all? As we have continuing with conjunction, parts of speech, now, pronoun, and now. Afterwards, as I told in my video that we are going to go through conjunction. And in my last video, I told you that conjunctions are two types: coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction. Let us go through the coordinating conjunctions. I think so we left at that time in the last video, but now we are going through coordinating conjunction. What are they? Why we use them? How to use them? Let us see. So it can be said that classes of conjunction. Everything has a particular classes. When I begin with figures of speech, as I told you that English also has classes, different classes. There are American English, British English, in Tamil Nadu, yeah, in South India. If you will go, you will have another classes of English. In Gujarati, we are using to, then to. I don't know why, but we are using these all things. In North India, there is a typical another type of English. So there are classes of conjunction also. What are the classes? In that we have studied subordinating conjunctions and coordinating conjunction. The word coordination, as I told you earlier also, coordination means joining something, we are having something. Now coordinating conjunction, what does it mean? Coordinating conjunctions joins two clauses of equal rank. As in my last video I told conjunction, they used to join two words, two sentences, two clauses and two phrases. Just like that, in coordinating conjunction, two clauses are joined. Now if you all are confused about clauses are a particular small sentence like few words, a group of few words that doesn't give a perfect meaning. They need a particular subject, particular predicate. So going through that, let us see which are the coordinating conjunctions, and they are how can we use, which words are there that comes in coordinating conjunction. They are and, but, for, or, nor, and also either or, neither nor, and etc. According to the condition, we are using this thing. Understand it properly, that according to the condition, what we have to say, what we have to suggest about that, a particular sentence, particular in a proper way with particular tenses and many things. We are using these conjunctions. Then let us begin. Let us have one example. Classes of coordinating conjunction types we can say. In coordinating conjunction, the first one is cumulative. What is cumulative? I forgot you. Cumulative. What does it mean? It adds one statement to another. In cumulative means joining something. This is just like conjunction too. Cumulative means to get a mixture of something like this. It adds one statement to another. For example, we cowed not a line, and this is a conjunction. We raised not a stool. Now you will be confused with this sentence. I know you will be confused with this sentence. What does it mean? Try to understand the meaning. Forget this thing. And there are two sentences with you. We cowed not a line. Try to make it in Hindi. In your mother tongue. We raised not a stone. हम जहाँ भी जाते हैं कुछ न कुछ हरकत करते हैं. As I used to say in classes, that in garden while there is a board, don't touch this, don't pick up the flower. But what we are doing? We are touching, we are picking up many things, flower we are collecting, like this. We carved not a line and we raised not a. Now what is that? Not a line and not a stone. What is this? These are clauses. These both are clauses. So don't be confused. There are adjective clauses, noun clauses, many things are there, but go through the line. Go through the meaning of the word. Means we carved not a line. We have not carved any line, and we raised not a stone. हमने कोई पत्थर नहीं उठाया या हमने कोई line नहीं ड्रॉ. Understood? These are cumulative. Two clauses, two statements are there. We are not a line. Sorry, we carved not a line. हमने कुछ नहीं किया. It's a one statement, and we are joining with it. This is the conjunction. We raised not a stone. हमने कोई पत्थर उठाया नहीं है, इसलिए हमने कोई हरकत नहीं की है. We have not carved anything. Now the next, adversity. What does it mean? Adversity. You can say opposition. You are adverse to me. You are adverse. You can be adverse to my language. You can be adverse to my thinking. You can be adverse to my thoughts. Many things are there. Adversity means something that is in opposition way. In every field we are going through opposition. If mummy or papa say something to us, we used to oppose. As I used to say in your classes also. Did you oppose mummy papa? Like this, it is adversative. It's a type of conjunction, and that comes in coordinating conjunction. It's the second type, adversity. Express oppositions or contrast. Whenever we have to express opposition or contrast, we use adversative coordinating conjunction. It seems little bit harder, tougher to you, but it's needed to understand this thing. Let's have some example. He is slow, but it's a conjunction. He is short. There are two sentences. He is slow, but he is short. क्यों slow? He is slow. कछुए और खरगोश की स्टोरी आपने देखी. कछुआ स्लो था, but he was sure. He was sure that he will win the race. Like that. It's a position. He is slow, but तो अब आपको समझ में आया. We will write if he is slow and he is sure. Does it shoots? No, it doesn't shoots. You think yourself. Once you will think in a proper way, you will get the correct answer. Where to use but, where to use and, where to use so, where to use or. Just like he is slow, but he is sure. कि वो slow है मगर वो sure है. क्योंकि वो sure नहीं, मगर वो sure. He is slow, but हाँ confidence है मुझे. Slowly I will reach at the first rank. If you are in 1 to 10, even if you are in last, then also if you have confidence, then you can go to, yes, I am sure, no doubt I am slow. I can complete 2 or 3 sums in an hour, but I am sure that. So these are adversative conjunction. Now comes the third one, alternative. In every stage, in every step, you all have some alternative ideas. While using mobile, using laptop, many gadgets that you use in your daily life, there is alternative. You got the alternative options. If mummy says no, papa is the best alternative option. Like that. Yes, there is the same thing. Express choice between two alternatives. Either this or that. There must be some choices. Let's have an example. She must weep or she will die. In medical science, it has been proven that whenever you are hurted, you must weep. If you will not weep, obviously due to mental stress and high blood pressure, you will fall ill again. It can be in such circumstances you can die. So what is that? What is the alternative option in this thing? C must be, and here is our conjunction. अथवा ये रोएगी नहीं तो मर जाएगी. She will die. So we got understand the concept, understand how we have to use or. Or is used in optional. Understand it. Or is used in optional. Then comes one new word for you. Elective. ILLATIV. I know there are more and many words that will come, that will derive. So you have to go through your dictionaries, you have to go through your vocabularies and many things. You are free now at your home, you can go through that words. Just it's my kind request, read 1 hour and at least you pick up 5 words, new words, and use it in your thought. Whatever you think, use it in your thought, not in your book. I don't want in your language, but I want in your thoughts. You must think about that 5 words daily, and at last you will prepare thousands and thousands words in your vocabulary. So let's say elective, express and inference. Another word came in front of you, inference. So go through these 2 words. I won't say the meaning of 2 words. I want my student to do something. Go through these 2 words, elective and inference. I will explain it again in my next session. Something certainly fell in, for I heard a splash. कुछ गिरा. So what will be your conjunction? I heard a splash. मुझे कुछ आवाज आई. क्यों आई? Not because. क्यों आई? Something certainly fell. कुछ गिरा. So या for I heard, sorry not so, for I heard a splash. Splash means एक प्रकार की is one type of. So you have gone through the 4 types. You must practice it. Thank you very much.